I'm Marcus Polovineo. I'm a partner in our accounting and tax team here in Sydney. I work in our corporate tax area, which means that I work with actually quite a broad range of clients. Specifically, I do a lot of work with large corporate groups and helping them navigate some really complex tax issues, particularly around international matters. I have quite an interest and a lot of involvement with funds management clients, both in relation to the funds themselves and assisting them with their tax matters, and also with their management entities as well, so the entities that sit off to the side. One of the great things about my role, and particularly a role in tax, is how varied a day can be. We juggle a lot of different things on a daily basis, helping our clients with issues that they might be facing or managing their compliance, working closely with our team, and also working in the business as well. In addition to that, I do quite a bit of work with some large privately held family businesses, which is where I provide significant value, being able to blend my experience both with large corporates, but also dealing with family groups. We can advise start to finish, not just on the corporate matters and the tax technical things that a business might be facing, but also helping them with their bigger picture problems that might be relevant in their ownership structure. So I think I provide a lot of value in being able to ask those more difficult questions, not just about tax, about have you looked at your estate planning? Have you got your insurances in place? The things that actually can make a really big difference in a business and that often people shy away from discussing. One of the biggest indicators of how good HLB is for our clients is how long clients stay for. We have a lot of clients that have been with the firm for a very, very long time, in a few instances through multiple generations. And I think when you're measuring success, the best measure that we can give for ourselves is that our clients choose to re-engage with us every year, year on year. So success to me is being able to have more proactive conversations with my clients where we're not just talking about last year's tax return, but we're talking about what's to come. And we're growing our relationship in our business along with my client's business. I've always stood by the importance of having a practical approach that's informed by the commercial backdrop to what's actually going on. So I think the thing that sets me apart first and foremost is my ability to deliver really practical advice with a really deep commercial understanding of what sits behind whatever the situation is, be it a transaction, be it a particular technical issue. I think secondly, being able to explain something complex and work with a client on something complex and explain it in a way that's clear and straightforward and can be understood. Look, I think people think being an accountant and tax is about numbers and words and really complex things, which it is to an extent, but at the end of the day, it's always about people. It's about clients, and that's not random businesses or organizations. It's actual people that are either working there or own the business, and what we're doing for them is really important. Yes, I like doing tax, and I spend a lot of time looking at the rules and thinking of how to solve complex problems, but actually the most satisfying part of the job, where we provide the most value, is supporting our clients, who are people, not just organizations. And that's the thing that really motivates me to go to the next level and get a really good outcome for my clients.